Today I decided to wear a summery kurta, and I always like adding a bindi with my Indian clothes, so I'm going to do a mild wing look for summer. A primer is a must. Choose one of your own choice. Make sure you massage it well into your face. Good priming helps the fact that I'm going to be using a powder foundation, because in summer more than that just doesn't work out. Use some concealer on the spots that require it and just blend it out, especially the part next to the nose for redness. Now I'm using a powder based foundation, which is my Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation. It's also easy to, just touch it up when you're going out, just keep it in your purse. Even for daily makeup, this is a step that I do not miss out, which is contouring my upper eyelid. Take a very neutral shade and use it till your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, just go a little higher. Now take a brown eyeshadow of your choice and a soft, fluffy brush. Tap off the extra product on your hand and start from the corner. From the corner, just bring it in, but not all the way inside. This again contours the eyes and gives it a good shape, bringing your features out. Take a black kohl or a kajal and first just line your upper lid. It doesn't need to be neat. This is my way of doing wings, because just like everybody else, I don't have a steady hand, and this is just a trick where you keep the outer part of your kohl thick, and then you take a thin angle brush and you kind of just smudge it out. You smudge it out and it'll create the wing. With this technique, you can decide the angle of your wing as well as the length. Take any black eyeshadow and the same brush and just even out the line. Take a brown eyeshadow, any brown eyeshadow of your choice, and again the same angle brush which you used for the upper lid, and just mildly line your outer lower lash line. Now with a pencil brush or any smudge brush, just make it smoky with the same brown. I like softening the line as well with the brown. You can do it if you want to, or you can just let it be. Touch up your powder foundation. Grooming your eyebrows is a very important part as well. Touch up the parts that need it and make sure your strokes are in the direction of your hair growth. Then set your eyebrows with a gel so that it doesn't move. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. This is what I do to prime my lips. It keeps my lipstick longer as well. I'm using MAC Plum as my darker lip liner. It's not a very dark brown. Keep a brown which is neutral, and it goes with most of the lipsticks we use. Use a lipstick of your choice. These kind of neutral looks go with dark lips as well as pale lips or nude lips. Time to do some mild contouring. If you're following my videos, you'll see I repeat the same technique many times because that's what a makeup routine becomes, and I believe the routines that I share, or actually if you think about the order in which I apply my makeup, if you kind of fix that routine and then use shades of your choice, your daily makeup will become really easy, and the range of colors of lipsticks and eyeshadows will increase as well. Use a blush on for sure. I am obsessed with cream blushes, but if you have oily skin, you can go with a powder based one, a shade of your choice. Even if you don't contour, you must put some blush because the face looks quite flat otherwise. This gives your face some dimension and the shadows in the right places, which usually is what the contouring does, but this helps as well. Touch up your powder foundation under your eyes, on top of your nose, basically the sun-kissed parts of your face as well. My makeup is done. Do subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. Makeup is done. Use a setting spray and you're good to go. I'll see you next time when I'm getting ready.